programming languages used in ATM system. This is the second part of our video. In part 1, these are the topics we have covered. Introduction to ATM system and system components, which divided into hardware and software. Characteristics of ATM system. Then the programming languages used in ATM system. Okay, now let's move on to the part 2 video. These are the topics we are going to cover in this video. ATM architecture, Windows-based architecture, Java-based architecture, ATM application operation process, ATM transaction process. This transaction process is the one somehow we deeply described in this video. PIN numbering function, card reader function, balance checking function, cash withdrawal function, cash dispenser function, and receipt printer function. Next, how functions written using programming languages. In here, we providing sample codes in Java, codes handling errors for critical problems, some safety hazards examples. ATM or the automated teller machine is the physical device of ATM system. Other banking, transaction and accounts are processes. Here we shown simple definition for ATM machine. ATM architecture. There are two ATM architectures. Windows-based architecture, which is called XFS-based ATM system. Then Java-based architecture, which is called JXFS-based ATM system. This is the Windows-based architecture. And this is the Java-based architecture. This is an use case diagram of ATM system. You know that a use case is a task which an actor needs to perform with the help of system. In here, there are three actors: operator, customer and bank. Session is the use case which interact with customer and the transaction use case. I will describe this in details later. This is a simple class diagram written in Java for the ATM system transaction process. ATM application operation process for verify card details and PIN. First, customer insert card into ATM. Then the card reader reads the card to collect details, then request the PIN. PIN is encrypted using encrypt PIN pad software. In that, 3-DES or DES algorithm is used. Then encrypted data sent to the central switch for authorization. For this video, we are not going to discuss about all the processes in ATM system. The major process we are discussing in this video is the transaction process. Transaction is an operation on the accounts of single customer. In ATM, we only specified dispense cash. The disadvantage of this is the wasting time of customers. We may want to provide flexibility to operate on accounts of different customers, although it is not required yet. ATM transaction handling process. Here we have provided functional requirement as an example. This is for insert card and validate PIN. Next, this is an activity diagram example for the insert card and validate PIN. This is the data flow diagram of ATM machine related to transaction process. When customer insert the card reader reads information and store those in memory. After, the new session will create if the PIN is valid. Those details in card are loaded into session. Customer can do one of these 4 transactions: withdrawal transaction, deposit, transfer, and inquiry. After transaction is selected and process completed, finally receipt will print using the balance, and finally the money dispenser will dispense money. This is a sample diagram which shows how the transaction done.